Hi, welcome to another video from CodeARIV. Have you heard about the Expo before? It provides a set of tools and services to help developers build, deploy and maintain mobile apps using React Native. Here in this video, we are going to create a React Native counter app using Expo in 5 minutes. First of all, let us start by creating a new Expo app. So for this you need npm and node.js installed on your system. Okay, so check it, node-v npm-v. So I have already installed npm and node on my system. If you didn't install node.js on your system yet, just install it from the official website. Now let's create the Expo app. npx create Expo app, the app name. Here I am using Expo counter app as the app name. Just enter. It will take some time. So our new Expo app is ready. Now let's enter the project directory Expo cd Expo counter app and just code space dot will open our project on Visual Studio Code. If you didn't install Visual Studio Code yet, you can install from the official website. Okay, download it from here. So our project is ready. Now we need an emulator to run our app. Actually this is a mobile app and you need a mobile emulator or iOS emulator to run this app. You can also run this project on your smartphone. Now I'm going to set up the Android Studio emulator here. So you have to set up the Android Studio emulator as your operating system. After completing the setup, open the Android Studio and you can see a more actions link here. Just open the virtual device manager. Yes, I have already set up Pixel 3 as my Android Studio emulator. Okay, an Android device is opened on your system, so we don't need a physical device to run our app. So let's close this all. Now we have a device to run our app and let's run it. Sorry, Android. Wow, our app is running. Open the layout file here. So this is the current layout file and let us change it. So we don't need a tab here. We are just creating a counter app, just so we need a minus button and a plus button and a space for showing the number. So we don't need a tab layout. So just remove this. So here we only need is a home screen. Okay, so it's done. Now let's code the counter app. Let's create an index.tsx file here and let's code our counter app. I'm just copy pasting this the code. So here's the code. We have a scroll view for the scrolling function of our app and a view, and everything is centered and there is a margin top, and I added a touch opacity here to show the plus button and another touchable opacity for the minus button. Actually the touchable opacity will function as the button here. When we click the minus button, the decrease count function will work, and if we click the increase count, the increase count function will work, and the number will show here as the count. Okay, we already set up a state count and there is a set count for setting the number, and if we click the decrement button it will decrement the count, and if we click the increment button it will increment the count, and the count will show here. So we have set up everything and I'll just save it. Wow, it's working fine. I already have an article written about this topic and you can always use this article for the reference, and I also added the code on the GitHub and you can refer that. The link is on the description, and thank you.